My name is Shanelle Stokes and I'm from the commercial division of Sony. We have quite a number of our products here today because obviously the university market is very important to Sony. We've got a number of unis here that are very familiar with our products and some that are just obviously learning about some of the new Sony exclusive technology. Behind me here is our BZ40L anti-haze screen. So it's got a 47% anti-reflection on it. So it would mean that no lights from the ceiling, or if there's any bright windows or any sunlight coming through, 47% anti-haze. So it's really clear. Black is really black, white is really white. So this is a unique Sony technology. So we're very proud of this. Perfect for in classrooms or in an education environment, but also it is a digital signage screen. So you can see from the amazing colours and contrast behind me. Sony prides itself on being able to provide everything to the commercial industry from lens all the way through to screen.
And what sort of trends are you seeing in the education space, and where does Sony fit into those trends?
So obviously bigger is better, and we're also finding that in a lot of rooms now we have a 98-inch 53L, which is also an anti-reflection screen. It's a true commercial screen, so you can do all your chrome loads, lock it down. It dances with all the third-party software that's out there. The system on chip inside these guys is really intelligent. So we are seeing that there is a bit of a transfer to large 98-inch screens in a teaching environment. I think my colleague Sean may have already spoken to you about the importance of broadcast and film and everything like that, especially with everything going on globally. I think we're going to see a lot more film production here in Australia. So a lot of the large not just Sony movies or Sony pictures, but a lot of the large corporations are looking to produce films and everything here. So we need to educate all our students on how to go forth and conquer in that area.
Awesome. All right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Nice.